Hello, my name's Guy Little and I'm one of the tutors here at PSC, and as part of the Creative Photography Certificate, which runs for 18 weeks, you get to do a little taster of camera skills, post, photography history, to give you a bit of a context into how you might start your photography career. Photography has often been described as being the most intense way of looking at something. Painting and drawing is about knowing. Painting and drawing is about you start with a blank piece of paper or canvas and you add things. It's an additive process. Photography is a subtractive process. So we are looking at the world and we are making conscious decisions about, I want to take that out, subtract that, in order to be more discerning in how we look at life. The world is awash with imagery, a lot of it not always good. And I think one of the things that we need to bring to life is to bring life more imagination and certainly more visual discernment.